Forget everything you know about video editing. This tool treats your footage like a Google Doc. If you can highlight and delete text, you can edit a video with word trim. That's the whole idea. BIGVU built this for people who have great things to say on camera, but hate what comes after. You upload your video, and within seconds, you've got a full transcript on screen. Find the section you want to cut, click the words, hit remove this. Done. It doesn't matter if you've never touched an editing tool before. No timeline to navigate, no keyframes, no confusion. The AI also handles filler words automatically. So all those little ums you barely notice while recording, gone before you even start editing. I edited my first video with it in under 10 minutes. The result looked like I'd spent an hour on it. I'm 52, I started my channel late, and I always felt behind on the tech side. This tool genuinely leveled the playing field for me. Go to the link below, sign up, and trim your first video with word trim right now.